This question number 6, we have to find the 105th term of the given AP series, right? So 4, 1 by 2, 5, 1 by 2, 6. This is the AP arithmetic progression. Now we have to find the 105th term. Okay. So what is the first term? What is the first term of AP?
4.
It is 4. Right. Now, since it is an AP, we can find the common difference. That is D. Okay. So 4, 1 by 2 minus 4. What is that? 4, 1 by 2 minus what is? Tell me. Siddhant.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Right. So 1 by 2 is the common difference. Now, the nth term of the AP is given by Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? This is the formula. Now we have to find the 105th term, right? Means n is 105. So for 105, it will be T105 A plus 105 minus 1 into T, right? Now put the values of A and D into this. A is 4, 105 minus 1 into D. D is 1 by 2, right? Solve this. 4 plus 105 minus 1 is 104 into 1 by 2. Okay. So this will become 52 plus 4 is 56. So what is the 105th term of the AP? That is 56. And this is the answer. Are you getting that? How we can use the formula? Okay. Note it down. Now look at this question number 7. If the 7th term of an AP is 1 by 9 and its 9th term is 1 by 7, find its 26th term. AP is not given, only two terms are given, 7th term and 9th term. And now we have to find the 63rd term of this AP. Understood the question? Right. Now, how to do this? Let us assume A be the first term, because first term is not given here. A be the first term and D is the common difference. Of the AP. Right? Now, T7, because 7th term is given here. So T7 means 7th term is 1 by 9. Right? T7 is 1 by 9. So can we write T7 as A plus 6D? Yes or no? Or you can say N minus 1D, right? Where N is 7, so we can write down this as 6 minus 1 D, that is A plus, sorry, not 6, D, N is 7, right? 7 minus 1 D, so it is 6D. So can we write T7 in the terms of A and D as A plus 6D? Isn't it? So this is 1 by 9. Similarly, T9, which is 1 by 7, can be written as, now this time the value of N is 9, right? So put the value of N 9 here. 9 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 8D. Getting it? So you are getting two equations, right? What are the two equations? A plus 6D is equal to 1 by 9. This is your first equation. And A plus 8D is equal to 1 by 7. This is your second equation. Is that clear? Now, we can solve these two simultaneous equations, right? Two variables, two equations, right? So what we can do? Subtracting 1 from 2. We get, okay? So we are subtracting 1 from 2. So what you will be getting? Write down. A plus 8D is equals to 1 by 7. a plus 6d is equal to 1 by 9. Now we are subtracting them. Okay. This will cancel. 8d minus 6d will be 2d is equals to 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9. Are you getting this? Yes or no? Are you getting it?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so what we have done, we have subtracted the two terms, two equations, right? And this way, the variable a will be cancelled. And now we can easily find the value of d, right? So 2d is 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9. 2d is, LCM is 63, right? 9 minus 7, that is 2 by 63. So therefore, d is equals to 2 upon 63 divided by 2, right? Getting it? 2 will cancel. And this is how we can get the value of d, which is 1 upon 63, right? So using the term value of 7th term and 9th term, we have found out the common difference. Getting it?
I'll just come back in 2 minutes.
Okay. Now, since we got the value of d, we can easily find the value of a by putting the value of d in any of the equations, right? Okay. So write down putting d is equal to 1 by 63 in suppose equation number 1, right? What is our equation number 1? A plus 6d is equal to 1 by 9, right? So a plus 6d is equal to 1 by 9. Now put the value here. A plus 6 into, yes, d is 1 by 63, so write down here is equals to 1 by 9. Okay, getting that? Now, 3, 2, and this is 21, right? Okay, so now you can write down a is equals to 1 by 9 minus 2 upon 21. Solve this. So this is, okay, again 63 only, right? So what you are getting? 7 minus 6, right? That is 1 by 63, right? Means the first term is also 1 by 63. A is also 1 by 63. So we have got the value of A, which is also similar to D, right? So write down thus A is 1 by 63 and D is also 1 by 63. Now, according to the question, what we have to find? We have to find the value of 63rd term. Okay. So now since we got A and D both, we can easily find the value of 63rd term, right? So Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1D, right? Now, for n is equal to 63, we can find T63, that is A plus 63 minus 1 into D. Now put the values. A is 1 upon 63 plus 62 into 1 upon 63. Getting it? So what you're getting? 1 by 63 you can take common. So 1 plus 62, that is 63 upon 63, which is 1. So what is the 63rd term of the AP? That is 1. So in this way, we have got the 63rd term of the AP, whose 7th term and 9th term is given. Now please note. Now look at this question number 8. In this question, the sum of the 4th and 8th term of an AP is given, that is 24. This is the sum of 4th and 8th term. And the sum of 6th and 10th term of the AP is 44. Now using these relations, you have to find the first 3 terms of the AP. AP is not given here. Terms are also not given here, just that the sum are given, right? Sum of 4th and 8th term is given, which is 24. And sum of 6th and 10th term is given, which is 44. Now using these relations, you have to find the first 3 terms of the arithmetic progression. Are you getting that? Now, how to do this question? So, as it is given here, sum of 4th and 8th term is 24, right? Okay. So, T4 plus T8 is 24. This is given, right? Now, what is T4? Value of n is given. Yes or no? Right? Okay. So, what is T4 in terms of n? A plus 3D. And what is T8? A plus 7d, yes or no? Are you getting that? Okay, so T4 where n value is 4, a plus n minus d. N is 4, so 4 minus 1 is 3. So it will become, or shall I write it? Okay. We have assumed that a is the first term and d is the common difference here, right? So T4 according to the formula will be a plus 4 minus 1 into d, right? And T8 will be a plus 8 minus 1 into d. This is equal to 24. So this will become a plus 3d and this will be a plus 7d. Is that clear? Okay. Now simplify this. A plus a will become 2a. This and this. 3d and 7d will become 10d. So this is your 10d. 2a plus 10d is equals to 24. If you divide the whole equation both the side with 2, you will get a plus 5d is equals to 12. Right? And now this is your equation number 1. Getting that? Yes or no? Understood till here? Please tell me. So what we have done, we have simply used the relation which is given in the question that the sum of 4th and 8th term is 24, right? So we have written T4 plus T8 is 24. Then we have written the values of T4 and T8, T4 and T8, right? Okay. So the value of n is 4 and n is 8 for both of them. And we already know the formula of Tn. Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So from there we are getting a plus 3d and a plus 7d is equal to 24, which we have solved, which is 2a plus 10d is equal to 24. Now 2, 10 and 24, we can divide both the sides with 2, getting a, 5d and 12. Okay. Now similarly, the other relation is also given. The sum of its 6th and 10th term is 44, right? So write down T6 plus T10 is 44. This is given, right? Now again using the same thing, right? Because we know the value of formula of Tn, right? Now putting the value of n is equal to 6 and n is equal to 10. In Tn, we have got a plus 6 minus 1 into d. This is the value of T6. Similarly, a plus 10 minus 1 into d. This is the value of T10 is equals to 44. Right? Now solve it. This will become a plus 5d, okay, plus a plus 9 is equals to 42. Now simplify. A plus a will become 2a plus 9 and 5, 14d is equal to 44. Now again 2, 14 and 44 all are the multiple of 2, right? So we can write it as a plus 7d is equals to 22 by dividing both the side with 2, right? And in this way we have got equation number 2. So this is our equation number 2, right? So we have two equations. A plus 5d is equal to 12 and a plus 7d is equal to 22, right? So these are two simultaneous equations which you already know how to solve. Yes or no? Okay. Now solving 1 and 2, right? How we will solve? Solve them. We can subtract 1 from 2, right? Subtracting equation number 1 from equation number 2, right? So equation number 2 is a plus 7d is equal to 22. So we will write it at the top because we are subtracting from this. And then we are writing equation number 1, that is a plus 5d is equal to 12. So this will become a plus 5d is equals to 12. Since we are subtracting, we'll change the sign of the lower terms, right? Okay, this now we will add. So a will cancel. 7d minus 5d will become 2d. 2d is equals to 12 minus 22 minus 12 is 10, right? So from here we have got the value of d, that is 5, right? So in this way we have got the value of common difference d, right? One variable we have already find it out. Now we can easily find the value of a. Now by putting the value of d in any of the equations, let's suppose in equation number 1, right? So equation number 1 is a plus 5d is equals to 12. Now d is 5, so a plus 5 into 5 is equals to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 25, right? And therefore a is minus 13, right? So in this way we have got the value of a. A is minus 13, which is the first term. Okay. Now, first term is minus 13 and the common difference is 5, right? Okay, so what will be the next term? What will be the T2? Can you tell me? This is your T1, right? First term. What is T2? A plus 2 minus 1 into D, right? A is minus 13 plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into D, D is 5, right? So minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8. Getting that? So there is a difference of 5. We are adding 5. So in this way, we have got T2, which is minus 8. Is that clear? Now similarly, we can find T3, the third term. T3, third term will be A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A is minus 13 plus 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 into D, D is 5. Right? So minus 13 plus 10, then, right? That is minus 3. So T3 is minus 3. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So therefore, first three terms of the given AP are minus 13, minus 8, and minus 3. And this is it. I hope you're getting it. Right? So what we have to do in the questions, because AP is not given, but some relations are given among the terms. So we use these relations among the terms. From these relations, we get two equations, right? We can solve these two equations. These are the simultaneous equation, which you already know how to solve. You can add or subtract accordingly, right? So that one value will get cancelled, one value will get cancelled, and you can find the value of the other value, right? So you can solve the simultaneous equation. You can find out the value of A and D. Now, using this, you can find any nth term of the AP using the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So I hope this is clear. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now look at this question, question number 9. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39, AP is given here, will be 120 more than its 21st term? Means there is 21st term of this AP. Now you have to find which term of this AP is 120 more than the 21st term. Understood the question? Okay. Means there are two terms. One term is 21st term. Other term is there, which is 120 more than the 21st term. So you have to find that term, which is 120 more than its 21st term. And AP is already given here. Understood the question? Can you try it
Yes,
on
ma'am.
your own? Okay.
Yes.
So we will first write down what is A and D, right? So here A is 3 and D is the common difference, which is 15 minus 3, that is 12. D is 12, right? So now we can find 21st term, T21, which is A plus 21 minus 1 into D. A is 3 plus 20 into D. D is 12, right? So 3 plus 240, that is 243, right? So 21st term is 243. Now, the term which is 120 more than the 21st term will be, means the required term is 243 plus 120. That is 363, right? Okay, so this is the required term. Now, let this 363 be the nth term, right? Okay, then Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? And this nth term is 363. Okay, getting it? This is equal to A. A is 3 plus n we have to find into D. D is 12. Getting that? Now solve this for n, right? So 363 is equals to 3 plus 12n minus 12. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right? Are you getting that? So what did it become? 12n is equals to 372. Okay, so n will be equal to 372 upon 12, that is 31, right? So the value of n is 31. Means, what does it mean? That 31st term of the AP is 120 more than the 21st term. Right? Okay. Is that clear? And this is how we get the value. Now, so now in this question number 10, how many terms are there in the AP given here? 7, 11, 15 to 139, right? So AP is given from first term to last term. Now we have to find like how many terms are there. Okay. So for this AP, for the given AP, we will first find A and D. A is 7, the first term, and common difference D is 11 minus 7, that is 4. Okay. Now suppose there are n terms, right? Okay. So Tn is equals to 139 at the nth term, right? Nth term is already given here. Getting that? Tn is 139, right? And we know that Tn is also equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So now put the value of A and D here. So A is 7, n minus 1 into D is 4, and this is equal to 139. Getting that? So 7 plus 4n minus 4, 139. So 4n is equals to 7 minus 4, 3, 139 minus 3, 136. So n is equal to 136 upon 4, which is 34, right? So in this way, we have got the value of n, means the total number of terms within this series, within this AP, is 34. Is that clear? So this is how we can solve this question. Question number 6, we have to find the 105th term of the given AP series, right? So 4, 4 1 by 2, 5, 5 1 by 2, 6. This is the AP. Arithmetic progression. Now we have to find the 105th term. Okay. So what is the first term? What is the first term of AP?
4.
It is 4. Right. Now, since it is an AP, we can find the common difference. That is D. Okay. So 4 1 by 2 minus 4. What is that? 4 1 by 2 minus what is? Tell me. Siddhant.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Right. So 1 by 2 is the common difference. Now, the nth term of the AP is given by Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? This is the formula. Now we have to find the 105th term, right? Means n is 105. So for 105, it will be T105 A plus 105 minus 1 into T, right? Now put the values of A and D into this. A is 4, 105 minus 1 into D. D is 1 by 2, right? Solve this. 4 plus 105 minus 1 is 104 into 1 by 2. Okay. So this will become 52 plus 4 is 56. So what is the 105th term of the AP? That is 56. And this is the answer.